With the peel-a-ton, your food service operation can reopen safely. You can keep up with production needs while keeping staff minimal. Your staff can stay safely spaced apart in your kitchens while maintaining a high rate of production. Able to peel over 700 apples an hour, the KA700 is perfect for the small production kitchen. The KA750 can peel mangoes, melons, did I mention melons? Watch in amazement as one operator can peel 6 pineapples in under a minute. This high degree of accuracy is unachievable with typical die-cut machines. Only peeling by hand can be this accurate, but will never be as fast as the peel-a-ton.